In this video we have listed the top 5 best beard trimmer on existing market.
We made this list based on my personal opinion. And I tried to list them based on their price, durability, features, customer review and many more things.
Are you new viewers? You should connect with us clicking by subscribe button, then press the bell icon for next updates.
Best 5. Remington All-in-One Lithium Powered Trimmer. 8 attachments for all of your grooming needs. Self-sharpening, surgical steel blades for long-lasting durability. Washable attachments, just rinse under the faucet to clean. Lithium power with up to 65 minutes of consistent cordless runtime. Storage pouch included, great for travel within the United States. Check the description for best price and details. Best 4. 5-in-1 Multi-Functional Body Groomer Kit. The self-sharpening blades made of 420 stainless steel with precision gap ensure long-lasting performance. This beard trimmer can fully immersible in water or rinse the blades under running water for quick, hygienic cleaning. The performance lithium-ion battery gives you 2 convenient options. Remove the cutter from the body by pressing the button with thumb and index finger. Trim your hair to exactly the length you want, 4 hair clipper combs, 4 precision adjustable combs and nose hair trimmer. Check the description for best price and details. Best 3. Hatikar Cordless Hair Clippers. LED display shows cutting size and battery capacity. Sharp but safe titanium ceramic blade. Cutting blade can be removed to wash. 6 comb attachments for different cutting length. 1.5 hours fast charging and using time up to 1 hour. Check the description for best price and details. Best 2. Panasonic Milano All-in-One Trimmer. The powerful, versatile Panasonic Beard Trimmer ERGB40S for men can easily be used cordless anytime. The durable, super sharp blades in this powerful beard and mustache trimmer system are precision honed to an acute 45 degrees angle to create the optimal cutting edge for quick. The Panasonic ERGB40S waterproof trimmer includes an indicator light that glows red while charging and safely stores men's electric trimmer when not in use. Turn the dial on the Panasonic trimmer to easily adjust the beard clipper comb up and down with 19 settings from 1 to 10 mm. Check the description for best price and details. Best 1. Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer Kit. The narrow design of the full metal precision trimmer makes it easy to precisely edge and finish small details. The trimmer quickly trims unwanted nose and ear hair without nicks or cuts. Quickly touch up your haircut with the 3 reinforced cutting guards. For comfortable trimming of any beard style. Non-corrosive blades and guards are water resistant for easy cleaning. Check the description for best price and details.